In this video, sharing with you why I use collagen powder daily, what it's good for, and a few recipes that you can make at home. Welcome back to Live Free TV. My name is Sarah, Live Free Warrior. The skin is the largest organ in the entire body, even bigger than my big little heart. And there's a reason that collagen aids in keeping your skin elastic, healthy, and yes, young, glowing. This video is brought to you by Natural Skinfood, and that's the collagen powder that I am using in this video. There's a reason why, and it has nothing to do with money. I stand behind Natural Skinfood and their products. They are sustainable. They consider the environment in each one of their products that they're using. It is natural, organic, and not processed. There's no toxins, no junk that's added in. And it tastes and smells really good. In their collagen powder that I'm going to be using today, there are 4 main natural ingredients. There's a lot of collagen powders out there on the market, but the reason that I love using this one, the main base of this collagen comes from type 1 marine collagen. That's different than a lot of the others out there that are sourced from particular farm animals that include piggies and cows and stuff that I don't like to even think about using to consume into my body. There's a lot of hormones and bacteria that can be involved, and we want to keep our bodies as clean as possible. So, main ingredient, type 1 marine collagen. The others include a little dose of, yes, my favorite, Manuka honey, which has all incredible healing benefits. I'll link another video here that tells you all about the benefits of Manuka honey. It also has loads of vitamin C in there, which is perfect for our immune systems at all times, and a touch of grapeseed extract. Why we need to consume collagen powder? Well, you think of collagen like the glue that keeps the body together. Collagen is a protein that forms connective tissue in the body. So the healthier it is, the stronger and smoother it is too. So collagen can prevent against wrinkles. It can also plump up the skin, keep it nice and smooth, adds a level of moisture as well to the skin that again increases how plump it looks and youthful. In addition to, it can also help with bone and joint health. So as we age, it is incredible for the body. And in addition, when you think of the skin, collagen makes up 75 to 80% of the protein in our skin. So it's the main ingredient in your skin. Now, what does it taste like? Because at the end of the day, if you don't like how something tastes, you're probably not going to make it a part of your routine. Well, I find that the Natural Skinfood collagen powder has a little bit of sweetness to it, but overall, I don't taste too much in it. When we get to the recipes, you're going to see why. That's another reason that I love using the All Natural. It has the Manuka honey, which adds a little bit of sweetness, but overall, it's nothing that has like a fishy taste to it. It doesn't add any earthy or animal. It's really pretty, little dose of sweet, but it blends right in with the rest of the food. So as we get into the recipe, I smell recipe number 1. This is how I use it every single day in the morning. So the first step first, I use it in my coffee. I put a teaspoon of it inside my coffee. I like using the French press. Make a miss. I add just a teaspoon of it right into the coffee. And I taste my coffee. It adds doesn't mask the flavor or anything, but I know I'm getting an extra dose of the healthy proteins that we just talked about. Okay. Okay. Did I mention I love coffee? Did I mention that? Did I mention that? Did I mention I make messes too? Did I mention that? I make messes. The next use that I use collagen powder for, recipe number 2, no, this isn't wine. I've never tried that one. I don't recommend that one. This is, okay, you've heard of the hibiscus flower. Now in Spanish, this is called jamaica. I've also found it in Indonesia called roselle. So you make a tea. This is all this is. It's just the flowers, the dried flowers. You can also just get hibiscus tea too, if you want to go that route. No shame there, I've done that too. So you can just make the tea. I'm actually having, and I make this in the house. Okay, he makes it in the house. And it's just a concentrated tea. From there, you can add in a spoon of the All Natural collagen powder, and you just mix it right in. This is gonna be weird having it after coffee, but that's okay. Things you do for the camera. And I love that, an afternoon drink, especially because it gets pretty hot here in Miami. Chia, these little buggers. You get these everywhere in your house, and ooh, do you have a nice mess. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and add that with some water. You let that sit there for a little bit, and you added 1 teaspoon of the collagen powder, mix it in, and that is an incredible drink to have in the morning for your digestion. Chia is gonna help to clean you all out, and at the same time, your body will absorb all of the collagen from the collagen powder. So some other additional uses you can use collagen powder for, you can use it in baked goods, you can use it in pancakes, you can use it in oatmeal, sprinkle it in a smoothie, put it in a salad dressing. There's so many different creative recipes that you can make with collagen powder, and because it has a light flavor to it, you can really mix and add it into a lot of different things. Hope this was helpful and useful. I'd love to know if you use collagen powder, if you've ever tried it before, if you found this inspiring in any way, and at the least that you have some new fresh recipes to try. I'm gonna link this collagen powder below along with a discount code that you can use and check out at allnaturalskinfood.com. Subscribe to this channel, Live Free TV. Follow me over on Instagram as well, at Live Free Warrior. Share daily inspiration there. You'll see me adding this to my coffee in the morning. My name is Sarah Kirkoni, Live Free Warrior. Thanks for tuning in here today. Cheers to healthy skin. Coffee, coffee, ah.